Directly, we are going to start with antenna design. So you are seeing this. I have taken this example from MATLAB. There is an antenna designer app in MATLAB. Previously, it was called as Toolbox. Now they have redefined that to antenna designer app. So how to open that app? Just if you run this section, you can see the antenna designer app will be opening up. Running. You've got the antenna designer app. I will just shift the presentation to that window so that you can see the antennas there. I hope you are able to see the antenna designer app. This is the antenna designer app, and we are going to slowly build an antenna from the scratch, run and see what are the parameters. Okay, so step by step we will do. So after the antenna designer toolbox is open, you have to click on the new button. Okay, so you click on the new button. You have a new button here. Click on that. You will see the list of antennas available here. You can see the antenna gallery here. I think you can see the antenna gallery here. So backing structure, back side of the antenna, whether the antenna is kept in free space or whether it is inside a cavity. So that is the backing structure you have nearby. You have rectangular, circular. You have all the different backing structures. And this is the antenna type. So you see how much antennas you have: waveguide antenna, horn, circular waveguide, horn, conical, corrugated, rigid horn, corrugated horn, disc cone, bicone, monocone. You have dipole, folded dipole, V antenna, M antenna, triangular, rounded blade, cycloid, J-pole, cascade, coach. See different types of antennas: the helical dipole, helix, multifilar dipole, multifilar helix. You can see loop antenna, circular, rectangular. See all the antennas which are frequently used in the communication are available here. You just need to pick up an antenna and you just need to understand the behavior of the antenna. So here we'll take up helical antenna. For our simulation, we'll take up helical antenna. So I'm selecting helix. Once you select the helix, you can see the antenna appearing in your thing. I think the screen is visible to everybody. Everybody is able to see the antenna, right? And you are going to set the design frequency. See, antennas, any antenna you are going to use, the first thing is at what frequency my antenna is going to operate. So I am going to set the design frequency to 1.8 gigahertz. See here, you have a design frequency there. I'm setting it to 1.8 gigahertz. Okay. Once you set the design frequency to 1.8 gigahertz, then you have to accept. So you can see an thing here, accept. Once you give that accept, your antenna parameters will be calculated. This app is running, so let's wait. Once we have given the frequency 1.8, right? So for that, you see the antenna parameters are decided. What is the radius of helix? What is the width, number of turns? 3 turns. You can see exactly 3 turns here, right? And the spacing between the turns, winding direction is counterclockwise. So it is anti-clockwise winding. From the bottom you go, it is anti-clockwise, right? From the bottom you travel, it is anti-clockwise or counterclockwise. Everything is calculated based on the frequency what you give. Once you are okay with everything,